They told me what happened. All right.
Go.
You're still young, and things like that always happen. When you learn, then you'll know not to make those mistakes.
Really? These dudes don't want it with that, no, my set glow. Hate it or you love it, but you gonna respect though. You ain't got to know my name. Check the blood, sweat, and tears. For years, niggas know I bang. I'm a main nigga, caking what you call a boss. On my own too, never taking orders from y'all. What I spit, get the corners involved. It's wreck on the yard. It's house gang, son, it's more than hard. The life that a glamour and glitch, best believe. On the flip side, nigga, it's them hammers and clips. Wanna live in high fashion and rich, so we scramble the strip. Camouflage with their hand on the grip. Ain't nothing gonna stop kid from getting his due. No, your feet's not big enough to fit in his shoes. I don't rock with you rap niggas, they be Poe. On the wire, just not HBO, they on the fire. Heads around the way, we know they time up. Guess that's why they hate me so. But yo, they will never take me though. I have to go like Montana liquor, slipping crazy blow. Still, I be hard to kill like Cigar. Warrior built, big shield and long sword. 1-6 doing it, king size. Salutations, that's respecting the king eyes. For those that follow my lead, attract to the light at the same time, marvel the speed. I'm so dope, I can bottle it free. The most influential modern day martyr is he.
I'm deep in the bungalow, chopping the mother load, carving my own path, taking another road. I be the son of soul, he brought the troops with him. It sounds presidential, I got the truth serum. Don't want the booth near, expecting the sabotage. I'm on the patio, stretched in my camouflage. And my grandma's hard, the Wolverine skeleton. I be the yellow man, smashing on the other brand. But on the other hand, light up the darkness. I'm stir-fried, nigga, yeah, I'm heartless. My apartment is a hole in the wall, nigga. Pass me the rock, stop holding the ball. I told you before, under worse, a condition chest boxer, nigga. Mike's in dead body position.